Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Jagtap. Today's topic is the respiratory system. The respiratory system is also the respiratory apparatus. Ventilatory system is a biological system consisting of specific organs and structures used for gas exchanges in animal and plant. The anatomy and physiology that makes this happens varies greatly depending on the size of the organisms, the environment in which it lives and lives in voluntary history. Inland animals lives and its voluntary history. Inland animals lives and its involuntary history. The respiratory surface is internalized as a lining of the lungs. Gas exchanges in the lungs occurs in the million of small air sacs. In mammals and reptiles, these are called alveoli, and in the birds they are known as the atria. These microscopic air sacs have a very rich blood supplies, thus bringing the air into the close contact with the blood in the air into the clothes. These air sacs communicate with the external environment via the system of airways or hollow tubes, in which the largest is the trachea, which branches in the middle of the chest into the tiny branches into the progressively narrow secondary branches into the progressive narrow numerous smaller tubes, or in birds the bronchioles are termed parabronchi. It is the bronchioles or parabronchs. They generally open into the microscopic alveoli in mammals and atria in birds. Air has to be pumped from the environment into the alveoli or atria by the process of breathing, which involves the muscles of respiration. The main function of respiratory system, the main function is the pull in oxygen for your body cells and get rid of carbon dioxide, a waste product. You do this by breathing in and out of through gas, by breathing in and out and through gases exchange between the small air sacs of your lungs and the blood vessels running nearby your respiratory system. Also, the warms and add moisture to the air you breathe in. Your respiratory system warms the air of match your body temperature. It moisturizes the air to bring it the humidity level your body needs, protects your body from particulates you breathe in. Parts of your respiratory system can block harmful germs and irritants from getting in or push them out of the out. If they do get in, allows you to talk. Air vibrates your vocal cords, which makes sounds. Help you small breathing in air moves in molecular past your olfactory nerves, which send message to your brain about the way something smells. Balance the level of acidity in your body. Too much carbon dioxide lowers your blood pH, making it acidic. By removing carbon dioxide, your respiratory system helps to maintain the acid-base balance in your body. The main organ of respiratory system are your lungs, but your respiratory system has many different parts to the work together to help the breathe. Parts of the your parts of respiratory system include the nose and nasal cavity, mouth and oral cavities, sinuses, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs and diaphragms. The upper respiratory tract is the track bring air into your body and helps to move it towards your lungs. It adds moisture to the air you breathe in. Your respiratory tract starts with your nose and mouth, where you pull air into the body. Other parts of your upper respiratory tract include your nasal cavity, sinuses, hollow areas in your cheeks cheeks and foreheads and larynx. The lower respiratory tract, your lower respiratory tract consists of your trachea, bronchi, and lungs. Your trachea and bronchi and bronchioles make up your tracheobronchioles tree, a series of increasing smaller tube that transport air from your upper respiratory tract to smaller sacs in your lungs. The need oxygen to create the energy. To creating the energy releases carbon dioxide as a waste product, which can harm your body if too much builds. And the other function of respiratory system, as air moves through your nostrils and down your airways, tiny hairs filter out the dust, germ, and other irritant to keep them from getting into your airway and lungs. Thank you.